This is Joe. He can draw. Oh boy, I don't know about these drawings, but he definitely can animate. Today, WMA dives into the world of idols. John's gonna animate one idol and use the same animation to create 12 unique idols. How the hell's he gonna do that? You're about to find out.
It's time to let John show us how it's done. Let's do this. Select your character. The box Junior is selected. Select your style. Default selected. Select your mode. 3ds Max. The block's body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are now available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. The blocks are simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the block's complete 12 character set now.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the grand finale of this season. That's right, we are in episode 12 and we are animating the Junior rig. As always, we're going to start by reposing the character. Now, Junior is massive and the obvious idea coming to mind is having him flex to show off how badass he is. So it might look silly at first, but trust me, we will make this look awesome. Now it's time to focus in on dialing in the arms to bring Junior's flex to life. We're going to focus on the flexing and we're going to fine tune the timing and poses. And as usual, I'm going at it using the straight ahead method. Now, remember, we're not going for perfect animation. We're going with small incremental changes that will continue to improve over time. Moving on to the center mass, we're going to dial back the motion just a tiny bit, which is going to allow for his upper body and his arms to take center stage. I mean, his upper body and arms are massive, so we need to show that off. Now, let's shift our attention to the legs. When Junior's facing forward, we'll keep the legs stationary. When he turns to the side, we're going to synchronize the timing of his weight shift with a subtle side step. Now it's time to polish Junior's animation with a little more attention to detail. Let's start by refining his head performance, proving that even without facial expressions, we can still convey a wide range of emotions and feelings. These rigs actually inspire more creativity, believe it or not. You just got to think outside the box in order to breathe life into them. Continuing on with this idea of thinking outside the box, Junior doesn't have a very sophisticated rig, as you can see. There's no muscle system built into this rig. That said, there's absolutely no problem in being able to convey muscle mass when you put your mind to it and you apply some good old-fashioned rotation. Third polish pass, and this time we're going to spice things up with the head performance by adding more subtle nuances as Junior's looking into the crowd. Next up, we're going to give his hands a little life, and we're going to keep this very, very simple. When he's not flexing, we're going to keep his hands open, and when he's showing off, we're going to close the fist to accentuate the pose. Into the final pass we go as I make a few tweaks to enhance the overall timing and performance. And I have to say, Junior's animation was one of my favorites to create. I didn't know what the final result was going to look like, but definitely happy with how this one turned out. And there you have it. Junior is a powerhouse as he flexes in front of the crowd, showing off his impressive physique. Can you believe it? We have officially completed all 12 idols. We started off with the Jordan idol and we magically transformed it into 12 unique idols. It was a lot of fun creating this series for you, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Now, as you probably noticed on the channel banner, my Walk Cycles Made Simple animation course is about to go live. So stay tuned for the official announcement that I'll be making right here on the channel. Now, as always, if you're enjoying the content on this channel and you want to show your support and be a part of the fun, share this video on your social media, give it a thumbs up, or you can leave a comment right below. Your support and engagement is very, very much appreciated. Lastly, the Blocks body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. They are excellent rigs for body mechanics performances, simple to use, easy to customize, and super fun to animate. You can visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the Blocks complete 12 character set. My name is Jonathan Abenheim. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all very soon on the next one.